It is a bold step towards liberating our nation from the heavy burden of malaria, a disease that has for long robbed our children of their futures. Uganda is undertaking the largest malaria vaccine rollout in terms of geographical coverage and target population, reaching 170 high and moderate malaria transmission districts. This ambitious effort reflects our unwavering commitment.
Last year, the entire year, Apache reported 41 deaths due to malaria. 4 children die every month. Compared to the national average, this is high because the different districts report either 1 or 2 deaths per month.
Malaria ngawa na Apache, we have a lot of mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are too much. Kubanga mu mwezi tuyinza otreatinga omwana even 2 times. Kale ngamba nti no kijja tuyamba.
Osula mu katimba k'ensiri bate mu bulina.
Tubulina.
Gavumenti yebawa.
Gavumenti yebawa. Yetuwa. Amanya gange bampita ku Mugonza Rose Martha. Ku Mugonza Rose Martha.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.